Good morning, I am Kenbright A. Victor from BSND1B, and today's video, I'll be talking about the captivating world of nature patterns. Join me as we explore the marvelous symmetries found in the natural world. Patterns in nature are everywhere. These are regularities of form found in the natural world and can also be seen in the universe. Look at the following example of patterns and you might be able to observe some of this next time you go for a walk. First, we have symmetry. Refers to an object that is invariant to various forms of transformation. This exists whether a figure or an object looks the same under the transformation. Symmetry in every language refers to a sense of harmonious and beautiful proportion of balance. A symmetry in which the left and right side of an organism can be divided into approximately mirror image or reflection of each other. Second, we have fractal. Is a curve or geometric figure which is a result of shrinking and moving applied many times. In fractals, the structure and appearance of each component part is similar to the whole. And third, we have spiral. Spiral are patterns that are centered on a point and moves in a circular path farther from the given point. And last but not the least, we have the Fibonacci sequence. Fibonacci sequence is also seen in different objects, such as sunflower seed. The pattern of two spirals in opposing direction, clockwise and counterclockwise, is considered the Fibonacci sequence.